First step, first step.
First step, open it. After you open it.
Again, open.
So today's sponsor is actually Kuya Gary. Is it your first time to eat halo-halo, Filipino halo-halo?
Yeah, it's first time.
Slowly. Very slowly.
No, I know the
And then you can do faster, faster. Faster.
It was just a simple weekend for us, and I decided to go with them as they experienced the stand-up puddle or beach yoga at Marina Kawage in Miyaken. It wasn't really part of our plan for today, but we decided to eat authentic Philippine halo-halo in Japan. The nearest from our current location is Matsusaka.
Hello guys, so we're going to go to Matsusaka.
Yes.
And try halo-halo.
Instant.
Yeah.
While waiting for the ladies to change outfits, I had a chance to explore the beachfront of Marina Kawage and perhaps film them as they practice their TikTok moves. Well, you know that halo-halo is a Filipino dessert, so we must eat our lunch first.
Hello guys, we are eating here in KFC. Finally. What is this kanji?
Space.
Space.
Yeah.
And then the other one?
Oh, Goryeo
Guryo.
means let's use.
Let's use.
Yeah, let's
The polite one.
Yeah, polite one.
I
Yeah.
see. Okay, thank you, sir.
ブラック、スパイシー版。
Let me finish.
あれコーヒーは？This one maybe コーヒーってどれですか？コーヒー。Thank you.
Finally, we're going to eat lunch. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Ready na siya.
Naiyak na siya. Ayaw nila mag-date. Okay, katsu. Katsu. Okay, this is mine. Hi.
Vlogging the vlogging.
Vlogging the vlogger.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
You know, I'm shy. How about you? You do that?
I don't mind.
No?
I don't mind, but
Right now,
I don't vlog.
the three of us, YouTubers.
She does, she
Oh,
does.
yeah.
Daddy and Hannah. How about you, Hannah?
No YouTube. Just Insta.
Instagram. Okay, we will add you.
Well, we are eating KFC burgers because in Japan we don't have rice meals in KFC. Also, at KFCs in Japan, you also need to clean your own table and throw your trash at designated areas. Now we're back on the road. Arrived at Frando's store, a Filipino store that sells the yummiest authentic halo-halo in our area.
So we can eat halo-halo this time. Hey. Yeah, so some Japanese friends. Japanese Alex, right?
No. Alien.
Alien. Gano'n na po kayo katagal gumagawa niyan?
Ito siguro simula nung March po.
March?
This year po.
First time ko nandito eh. Nasama lang ako ng mga friends. Sinama lang ako nila.
Ganun ba?
Kasi taga malayo-layo kami sa IG.
Oh. Sensei, explain. What is halo halo? Okay, halo halo sensei is actually it means mix.
Oh, mix.
So it's like mix. Halo means mix.
I see, mix.
Yeah. That's the real meaning. Yeah. The halo halo in Ministop is really, I mean, it's patterned from the it's patterned from the because the word halo halo is Filipino, right?
Different.
Yeah, different ingredients, but it would have a different taste, right?
Ano ka ba kuya? TikTok ka ba o YouTube?
TikTok ako. Facebook, TikTok.
TikTok. Kasi pakita natin yung TikTok natin.
5, 4, 3, 2. Ay, joke lang po.
So dahil nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko dahil si Gary Sensei super bait kasi niya. Super bait niya, sabi niya siya yung may wallet sa akin.
Wallet lang, wala laman.
So, magkano ang ililibre mo sa amin dito? Kasi bibigyan na kita ng jacket. Bigyan ng jacket niya.
Pwede pa lang on, kuya? Apo.
Ay, pwede naman po lang ano.
Kaso, ay grabe.
Sa lang resibo yung ano namin.
Uy, kuya Gary.
Kumaya na lang.
Kaya Gary na, kaya naman ano sino yung wallet ko. Sa'yo na lang yung wallet ko.
Thank you.
Nasa na naman. Oh, thank you Kuya Gary.
Wala, nandiyan na naman yung kuya na yan.
So, tapos na kami makabili ng food dito. We will try the halo halo. Go! It's rained, so we're not so lucky, but I think we're still blessed that we have halo halo, Philippine halo halo this time. So I hope keep on watching this video and let's try to eat our halo halo, Philippine halo halo.
Kat Sensei introduce on how to eat halo halo.
Okay.
You must show to her how we do it in the Philippines so that it will be like an authentic Filipino experience. First step.
First step, open it. After you open it,
Again, open.
Tagalog mix is
halo.
Hello.
halo. But before we
You
say, I
can
think
taste. If you want to try the ice cream first,
it's
you can
okay.
try. It's okay. Like it's purple yam.
Like yeah, like in my like
Yeah, it's so yummy.
for this experience, Kat Sensei is eating the ice cream first, and you already finished eating. That's like with Alex.
Okay, so you
what
know.
she did.
Yeah.
Makes it down to earth. Yeah, down to earth. Yeah. So you can do it slowly, slowly, very slowly.
No, I know the
And then you can do faster. So,
How about me? You will not give anything to me? I will not eat anything?
yeah. Is it your first time to eat halo halo, Filipino halo halo?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
first
yeah.
time. So
How about the mini stuff halo halo? Have you tried it?
but it's different.
Yeah.
So different, ma'am.
So today's sponsor is actually Kuya Gary.
Thank you.
Thank you for all your support. So
Generosity.
he actually said that he will do it once again tomorrow.
Yeah.
So,
We hope, ne?
yeah, tomorrow.
Hindi, yung ano, yung parang gulaman kaunti.
Nata de coco.
Nata de coco.
Coconut milk?
Water.
Coconut water?
Coconut water. Water, coconut milk, coconut meat. That's it. Coco juice. Okay. Now milk, water, juice. Okay, okay. That's why Filipinos always fight, Sensei, you know. Yeah, because we cannot understand each other. Yeah.
It has been a long day and we need to rest and recharge for the next day. I hate Mondays. But if you're getting vibe from this video, please like and share this to your friends. If you also know some stories selling Philippine halo-halo in Japan, I'd appreciate it if you comment down below. That's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!